Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to copy your phone book contact from SIM card to phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone contact. So I'm going to click on contact right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on import/export contact. And the next thing you need to do is to simply select the SIM you want to copy contact from. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply select the SIM that have those contacts. Then you have all the contacts right there. Next thing you need to do is to click on this to select all the contacts. You can select as many as possible contacts. So if you want to uncheck some of the contacts right here, what you need to do is to simply click on uncheck right here. And it simply means that you don't want to copy the contact. Once you are satisfied with all the contacts you selected so far, next thing you need to do is to simply hit on OK right here. And all the contacts will be copied from your SIM card to your phone without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.